In today's video, we'll show you how to fix the issue of the missing Bluetooth icon in Windows 11. Before we get started, you can help me continue creating useful content by supporting me through the Buy Me a Coffee service. The link to my Buy Me a Coffee profile is in the description below this video. You can also visit the site by scanning the QR code displayed on the screen with your smartphone. Any amount you choose to donate will be incredibly valuable to me. Thank you for your support and attention. Let's get started. Step 1. Let's check if your Bluetooth is turned on. Click on the Start menu and go to Settings. Then click on Bluetooth and Devices. Make sure the Bluetooth switch is turned on. If it's off, turn it on and see if the Bluetooth icon appears in the system tray. Step 2. Check Notification Area Settings. If your Bluetooth is on, but the icon is still missing, we need to check the notification area settings. Go back to Bluetooth and Devices, and click on Devices. In the opened window, scroll down and click on More Bluetooth Settings. In the Bluetooth Settings window, make sure the Show the Bluetooth icon in the notification area option is checked. Click Apply and OK. Step 3. Sometimes restarting the Bluetooth service can fix the issue. Press Win-R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Type services.msc and press Enter. In the Services window, scroll down to find Bluetooth Support Service. Right-click on it and select Restart. After restarting the service, check if the Bluetooth icon is back. Step 4. Outdated drivers can also cause the Bluetooth icon to disappear. Right-click on the Start menu and select Device Manager. In the Device Manager window, expand the Bluetooth section. Right-click on your Bluetooth device and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software and follow the prompts. If a new driver is found, install it and restart your computer. Step 5. Another thing to check is your taskbar settings. Right-click on an empty space on the taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. Click on Other System Tray icons. Find Bluetooth and make sure the switch for Bluetooth devices is turned on. This will ensure that the Bluetooth icon appears on the taskbar when it's available. Step 6. Windows 11 has a built-in troubleshooter that can help resolve Bluetooth issues. Go to Settings, then System, and click on Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters and find Bluetooth. Click Run and follow the on-screen instructions to diagnose and fix any Bluetooth problems. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of the missing Bluetooth icon in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips and tutorials. You also can watch our other video about how to fix the Bluetooth icon missing on Windows 10. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.